Master Systems Software Engineering Fundamentals with Tonex. This is powered by Tonex.
The Systems Software Engineering Fundamentals training course by Tonex is designed to provide professionals with a comprehensive understanding of the essential principles and practices in systems software engineering. This course covers the life cycle of software development, from requirements analysis and design to implementation, testing, and maintenance. It emphasizes the integration of software engineering with systems engineering to enhance the development of complex systems.
Why attend? Expert-led training. Learn from industry experts with extensive experience in systems software engineering. Comprehensive curriculum. Gain in-depth knowledge of the complete software development lifecycle. Hands-on experience. Participate in practical exercises and real-world case studies. Career advancement. Enhance your skills to advance your career in software and systems engineering. Networking opportunities. Connect with other professionals in the field.
Systems Software Engineering Fundamentals with Tonex. Who should attend? This course is suitable for the software engineers, systems engineers, IT professionals, project managers, quality assurance engineers, technical managers, anyone interested in advancing their knowledge in systems software engineering. Request more information. Sign up as a group.
Please visit Tonex website www.tonex.com.